Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be working on lesson number 5, programming with Scrat. We are going to watch a short video about pair programming, which we haven't done because we haven't been in the building together, but we're going to watch it and then we're going to move through these 11 lessons real fast.
Today, we're going to learn about pair programming. In pair programming, you work as a team.
Why should two people use one computer?
Why should two people use one computer? Because two heads are better than one. We work together in an interesting kind of way.
Because we're interesting people.
We are interesting people.
In pair programming, you and your partner are going to sit down together at one computer and you are both going to work on the same project.
Right now, we're working on code monsters. Oh no, a fire monster. We don't have enough time. I'm sorry. We'll get to it later. In pair programming, one person is the driver and the other person is the navigator.
Just like driving a car. Your choice, driver or navigator.
The driver sits at the computer and is the one using the keyboard, mouse, or touchscreen and controlling the main actions of the computer. I'm setting all the arrows so that they make the character move in the direction he's trying to move.
And the other person is the navigator. The navigator helps the driver by answering the driver's questions and pointing out potential problems or mistakes. Communication is key to successful pair programming.
No insults. Be respectful. Don't be a bossy navigator because nobody likes a backseat driver.
Here, why can't you do this?
Wait. Hey, stop that. Give it back.
That's not nice. Give it back.
Communication is key to successful pair programming. Did the cat say something after?
You and your partner should always be talking.
The driver can explain what she or he is doing. Do you think it would ruin it to type something extra? And the navigator can help suggest what to do next.
Can you write a program that makes the dog move to the target? The navigator should be thinking about the big picture.
And the driver focuses on the details.
Both roles are important. Want to switch?
Okay.
Be sure to switch roles often.
Okay. Wait a second. Why isn't this working?
You need to attach it up there. Look, there's a hole.
Did you see how my partner helped me figure out the puzzle on fewer tries? She caught my mistake.
Okay, good job.
Pair programming is all about working together as a team.
Hey, they were having fun. So we're going to move on. Okay, and it says click the light bulb when you need a hint. So whenever you need a hint, you want to click up there. And here is your speaker. If you click on that
Play
speaker...
with these blocks to see what they make Scrat do. Get Scrat to the acorn to complete the level.
Okay, so this is pretty simple one.
Play with these blocks to see what they make Scrat do. Get Scrat to the acorn to complete the level.
Down, or south in this case. 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, continue on. It says use 2 movement blocks to get the Scrat to the acorn. The Scrat? I thought they were just calling Scrat. So we're just going to go east twice. Arrows help us, but okay, continue on. Looks like I don't have to start this one over. Okay, this one's a little more tricky. Not for you guys. You guys have got this. So we're going to go down, south, and then east. Go right. One thing I want to point out is right here, it tells you how many blocks you should be using. Okay, now this one, we could solve this in a couple different ways. We can go east, east, north, or we go north, east, east. So let's go north, east, east. And see, it says 4 out of 4 blocks. Okay, I'm gonna show you that just so that we can go east, east, north, and let's see if we get the same product. See, same thing, different answers. Okay, debugging.
All computer scientists, no matter how experienced they are, run into errors that they need to fix. This is where debugging comes in. Debugging is just a word that means finding and fixing errors in a program, and the first step towards fixing errors is to find them. Most puzzles have a step button below the play space that you can use to hunt for problems. If your program doesn't work, press the step button and see what happens. Does the character take action in the right way? Everything looks good with the first block of code. Press the step button again. How does everything look? Is it still running right? Keep going through your code, line by line, until you find the first place where things go wrong. What happened? What was supposed to happen? What does that tell you? In this puzzle, I get to the last line of code and don't reach the goal. What happened? I got to the end of my code without solving the puzzle. What was supposed to happen?
So
I need to go forward one more step.
Really get stuck.
What does that tell me?
And I'm gonna have to
It
start
tells
this
me
over.
I need to drag out one more of these blocks and attach it to the end before I click run. Ta-da!
So it says figure
That's
out what is
how you
missing
find the
and
program.
add blocks to get Scrat to the acorn. So we have 5 blocks already in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you see these gray ones, you cannot throw these gray ones away. So I'm going to hit step. He goes west. I'm going to hit step again. Hit step again. Hit step again. And see what's happening. We're just coming up just a little bit short. So we need to go north one more time. Reset. Okay. If you're watching the video and you're doing your work, you can pause the video and then go ahead and do your work and then start the video again. So this one is another one of those ones where we have a couple different ways of doing it. I'm just going to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3. We're going to go east 3 times. And then we are going to go south. And see again, once again, it says 5 out of 5 blocks. Right? Okay, I'm ready. Okay, see, so the cracked ice, we have to go around the cracked ice, the broken ice. So we can go north and then west and then south and then west again, or we go south, west, north. So I'll leave it up to you. I'm going to go south, west, west, north, west. And see, it says 6 out of 6 blocks. I'm thinking some of you probably have already stopped watching the video because this is pretty simple. Okay, so we're going to hit run. It says fix the bugs to get Scrat to the acorn. He fell on the ice. No. All right, so I'm going to reset. I'm going to throw that east away. We're going to go west first. Then we're going to go north. 3 out of 3 blocks. It's all you. Get Scrat to the acorn. West, 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 north. West, 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 north. And the last level, oh my gosh. Now they introduced a new block here. We've seen it in other lessons that we've done, other courses. So we're going to go west 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I'm going to put this up here and go west 4 times. Did you see how I did that? I dropped the arrow down, changed that 3 to a 4. So now we're going to go north 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Again, I'm just going to drop that arrow down, choose 4, and go north. And we are done for the day. I hope that you enjoyed this. I find this stuff enjoyable. But then I'm a teacher. I would find math enjoyable. I will see you guys next Wednesday at 1 o'clock. No, 12:30. Excuse me. I see you guys at 12:30 next Wednesday. All right. Bye.